English first class lesson number 3 the rainbow. Warm up. Join the dots. Name the object. JOIN join. THE the. DOTS dots. AND and. NAME name. THE the object. OBJECT object. Poem. Boats sail on the rivers. BOATS boats sail. SAIL sail. ON THE the rivers. RIVERS rivers. And ships sail on the seas. AND SHIPS ships sail. SAIL sail. ON THE the seas. SEAS seas. But clouds that sail across the sky. BUT but CLOUDS clouds that. THAT that. SAIL sail across. ACROSS across. The 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 SKY sky are prettier than this. ARER PRETTIER prettier than. THAN then. THESE this. There are. THERE there. ARER bridges. BRIDGES bridges on the rivers. ON THE the rivers. RIVERS rivers. As PRETTY pretty. As pretty as you please. as YOUPLEASE please. But the rainbow that bridges heaven. BUT but THE the rainbow. RAINBOW rainbow that. THAT that bridges. BRIDGES bridges. Heaven. HEAVEN heaven is prettier for than this. IS is PRETTIER prettier for. FAR for then. THAN then. This. THESE this. Rhyming words. Snail. SAIL sail. NAIL nail for. FAR for. CAR car. What bridges the heaven. WHAT what. BRIDGES bridges. The 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 heaven. HEAVEN heaven.